Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to download videos on Discord web version. It's really easy to do. If you open your Discord, and then it's supposed to be easy way to download the video, but unfortunately Discord keep the video not able to download by default. So what you have to do, you just seeing, as you can see here I have a video, and then you just click create trade to this video. After you click the trade, and then you right click, or you can play first and then right click on the video on the new trade you want to create, and then open video in new tab. After that, your video will be automatically downloaded on your browser. That's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you just please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.